What's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Bespoke Performance. As you can see, today we have the C63 behind us. We got it up on the rack. Today, Sai's letting us work in the shop on a Sunday to get our own car going. So we're gonna get the C63. We got the full titanium exhaust for it here today. I got it up on the rack. We got the exhaust right over there by the front door, right over there. And then, man, this is gonna sound wild. We got some before clips on it. I'm gonna do a couple more before videos so we can hear what it sounds like stock and then what it sounds like aftermarket. But man, I'm nothing but excited right now. This is gonna be wild. This is gonna reduce some weight on my car. It's gonna increase the tone. Everything about it's about to be better. I can't even wait. So I'm gonna get some before videos, then I'm gonna lay out the exhaust, get some money photos of it, and then let's go ahead and let's install this thing. So quick tip when doing anything to your W205 C63, if you're going to rack it up, Mercedes makes these cool little tabs on the side of your rockers. If you just pop them out, gives you an extra little bit of clearance for the lift when it goes on to your rubber pucks that lift the car up. It's just an extra little precaution you can take. If you just snap those out, they pop right back in. They're just some clips that hold it in. Show you on this side. Just pops out just like that. Sees how dirty the car is. And bam, just like that. It's out of the way of the lift. Go right up on the puck. Just like that.